Today we're cooking up my Thai-inspired chicken meatball curry, bursting with bold spices and creamy coconut milk. It's the perfect balance of savoury and aromatic flavours. The family are gonna love it. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that I love Thai-inspired dinners. Thai cuisine has got so many fantastic flavours, and we're going to build on those today to make this delicious chicken meatball Thai-inspired curry. So let's get cooking. In my bowl, I've got 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of minced chicken. And to that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 medium egg, 5 tablespoons of panko breadcrumbs, 2 minced cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 teaspoons of lemongrass paste, 1 Thai red chilli that's been finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and white pepper, and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander or cilantro. You can already tell that's going to be absolutely packed full of flavour. Now get in there with your hands and give it a good mix together. And now that's all mixed together, we're going to cover it up and place it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. And that should allow the panko to swell a little bit and absorb some of that excess liquid. We should get about 20 meatballs out of this mixture. Now the mixture is a little bit sticky, so a little pro tip for you here is to place a little bit of oil on your hands, and then you can roll the meatballs without the meat sticking. And we're going to roll those meatballs and then put them directly in that heated pan. Keep making up those meatballs and add into the pan until you've used up all of the mixture. And then we're going to brown those meatballs for about 6 to 8 minutes. They should be nice and golden brown on all sides. When they're nice and golden, move the meatballs to one side of the pan, and then we're going to add in 2 minced cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, a crumbled chicken stock cube, and 4 tablespoons of red Thai curry paste. Stir all that together for a minute, and then we're going to pour in a 400ml or 14-ounce can of full fat coconut milk, two teaspoons of fish sauce, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, 10 Thai basil leaves that have been torn in half, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, which is about the juice of half a lime. Now stir it all together to mix the sauce and to coat the meatballs, and we're going to simmer it for 5 to 6 minutes until that sauce thickens slightly. And now we're ready to serve. I love to serve this with my coconut rice and top with some more Thai basil leaves, a little bit of fresh coriander, some sliced Thai chilies and lime wedges. If you want to see more of my Thai-inspired recipes, then be sure to check out my Thai basil chicken here and my peanut pork here. They're both a total hit with the family. I'll see you next time.